Hi, problem solvers. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. This is 4.8 in your math with, but it's part 2. We're taking it a little slow. So your page that you're going to be working with today is 232. And you are going to have a page where, or a Google slide that you're going to do Puzzled Penguin. I'm going to go ahead and read Puzzled Penguin, but I'm not going to go through the answer. So today I found the answer to 168 plus 78, but I don't know if I added correctly. Please look at my work. If my answer is right, is my answer right? If not, please correct my work and tell me what I did wrong. Your friend, Puzzled Penguin. All right, so here's some room that you can write. You can do this now or do this with this activity. You can use this space to do it correctly. In the text box, you are going to have to explain what he did incorrectly and what the correct answer should be. Okay? And tell us what he did wrong. So, what we are going to work on, however, is a review. We're going to do number 6 and 7 on page 232. So I'm asking you to have your workbook and go through these with me and write them down. And then when you go to your Google Slides, you're going to have this Puzzled Penguin and another couple of problems to do. So the directions say write each addition vertically. So vertically is up and down. They already have done it horizontally. Line up the places correctly, then add and make a proof drawing. So today's, and I've been focusing on that, we really need to align or line up our values correctly. So we're going to try one, because not always do they have the same exact number of digits. So we're going to try this one. So it's 179 plus 38. So 38. Make sure that my 8 is directly under my 9 because those are the ones, and there's my 3. And I'm going to go ahead and write that. So I wrote it vertically. It's up and down. And then making sure everything's lined up correctly. And then I'm going to add and make a proof drawing. So first, the numbers are nice and small, so I'm going to make 100, and I'm going to make 79, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9 ones. Here we go with our 9 ones. Nice and clear so Mrs. Harrison can see them with her old eyes. And then 38. So I have no hundreds. There are no hundreds there, so I'm going to skip that part. 30, 1, 2, 3. And then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're doing this in your paper and I'm going too fast, go ahead and press pause until you can get caught up. You can just leave me on the screen, frozen, and put those in there. All right, so we're going to start with those ones. We've got a lot of ones here. So definitely more than 10, so I'm going to need to do some regrouping. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm going to take the 10th one and make, I'm not sure exactly what that shape is, but it looks good. Maybe a pork chop. All right, so those are my 10s, and then I'm going to count how many I have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write 7 right here, and I'm going to put my arrow because this is now a 10. Okay, now I'm going to look at my 10s and see how many I have there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of them. Uh-oh. All right, so I'm going to put 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to put a box around those and an arrow for my hundreds. So now I'm going to have 1 10 that's left over because it's this guy here. And then I have 100, but then I have this one too, so I have 217. So that's what it says, 217. Now let's check it numerically and see if it's correct. All right, so 9 plus 8 is 17. So I'm going to put 7 there, and I'm going to go ahead and do new groups below. So I'm going to put my 1 right there because 17 ones means 1 10 and 7 ones. Then I'm going to go ahead and say 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. So I'm going to put my 1 there, and then my other little 1 there. And then 100 plus 100 is 200. And double check that my answers match. Yay, yay, they do. All right, 1 more. You guys are pretty good at adding and already, but it's really making sure that you understand what's going on when you're doing that adding. So I need to make sure that my places line up. So I'm going to write 650 plus 345. Nice and clear. My 1s, my 10s, my 100s. All right, so now that I've written that vertically, I'm going to make my proof drawing. 600s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And uh-oh, no ones. Empty. All right, I did that really fast, I realized. So slow down, Mrs. Harrison. If you need to press me on pause, I'll sit here. I'll still until you get that there done. Then we have 345. So here's 300. I'll slow down. There's my 300s. My 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have no ones here and 5 there. So I just have 5 because that doesn't equal more than 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't need to regroup there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Also no regrouping there. Okay, we'll see how, let's double check up here and see if that is correct. 0, I'm going to go ahead and do new groups on top for this one. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 6 plus 3 is also 9. 995 matches 995. All right, awesome. So something I've noticed that you guys have been doing is that you haven't necessarily been drawing me things, or showing me regrouping. But what I do need to see is correct answers. So some of you think, oh, this is easy, but where I'm still getting some incorrect answers. So double check that you are doing them correctly. Okay, so you don't have to worry about number 8, but you will be doing Puzzle Penguin and 2 pages from your homework book that we made a picture of for your Google slide. All right, friends, thank you so much, and I can't wait to see your work.